Hello there, I am a navigator system for blind architecture. I am going to show you how the blind architecture system works. Remember, this video is a conceptual of the system, it may varies from the real system intended to use. I am as a GPS, but throughout the construction there will be a few elements involved, which are the visual elements, auditory elements and tactile elements. Tactile elements relates to the experience of touching and feeling. This is Malacca, location latitude 12,345, longitude 39,348. Here is the site and the blind number 1 has arrived. Blind people usually board taxis as a way for them to move around the city. He will unload his components, which is components number 1. Next comes the blind 2 with components 2. He will also unload his components. Now blind 3 comes with his components 3. These people are musicians. They come here for an invited show. Before unpacking, blinds must design and configure the organization of each components. The components are then unpacked. The components are placed based on their own design and requirements of spaces by using GPS system. And the blind must also use their sound recognition system to identify the specific location of each components. Each components have its own texture and information system using Braille. The Braille codes are located on each of the components. The blinds can identify what is the size, the suitable locations and the properties of each components. The system can recognize and translate each movements into speech recognition and can respond to the needs of the blinds. This component can expand, subtracted and placed anywhere where the system permits it to be. When the construction ends, the system will respond informing that the whole system configuration are all connected. Now, the blinds can experience the other part of the city and perform their music to the audience.